Hello, everyone. Hello, friends, and welcome back to the Online English Podcast, where learning English is easy, real, and fun. I'm Lily.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone, from all around the world. I'm Max, and yes, we're really happy you're here. But before we start,
Yes, please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share this podcast with your friends and family.
it really helps us a lot. Thank you so much for your support. Every time you listen, every time you repeat with us, your English gets stronger, your confidence gets better, and your speaking becomes easier.
And I'm so happy, truly happy that you're here with us today. Thank you for pressing play. Thank you for choosing to learn with us again. Today, we have a very important topic. One of the most common questions people ask on Monday, or after a holiday, or even just in friendly small talk.
The question is, so, how was your weekend? People say this everywhere. At work, at school, during online meetings, with friends, with classmates, even with strangers.
And today, we will show you how to talk about your weekend. Naturally, clearly, and confidently, using simple past tense.
Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about big rules. Don't worry about sounding perfect. We will go slow. We will repeat. We will show you real examples, real sentences, and real conversations.
Okay, Max, let's begin with a smooth conversation. Something simple, something real. So everyone can hear natural past tense.
Good idea. Let's go slowly, very slowly.
So, Max, how was your weekend?
It was good. I relaxed. I stayed home, and I cleaned my room a little. Nothing special, but it felt nice.
That sounds peaceful. My weekend was good too. I went to a small cafe. I watched a movie, and I spent time with my sister.
See, friends? This is real English. Short sentences, simple verbs, and a natural flow.
And you can speak like this too. You really can.
Before we go deeper, let's review some super common past tense verbs, because these verbs help you answer any weekend question.
Repeat after us, slowly, clearly, confidently. I stayed home.
I watched a movie.
I went shopping.
I visited my friend.
I cooked lunch.
I played games.
I studied English. Good job if you really did.
These are the building blocks. If you know these verbs, you can talk about your weekend easily.
Let's practice questions people ask on Monday. Questions you must know.
And we'll give you natural answers.
What did you do last weekend?
I watched a movie.
Did you go anywhere?
Yes. I went to the park. Or, no. I stayed home.
Did you meet anyone?
Yes. I met my cousin. Or, no. I didn't meet anyone.
Was your weekend good?
Yes, it was great. Or, it was okay, nothing special. Okay, Lily, tell us more. Tell us the full story of your weekend.
Sure. So, last weekend, I wanted a slow, calm, peaceful 2 days. Nothing big, nothing crazy, just a simple weekend. On Saturday morning, I woke up early. Not super early, but early enough to enjoy the quiet morning. The weather was cool, soft, very comfortable. So I went for a walk. Just a small walk around the neighborhood, listening to the birds, feeling the fresh air, and enjoying the silence.
That sounds really relaxing.
It was. After my walk, I made breakfast at home. Just eggs, toast, and some fruit. Simple food, but it tasted good. Then I cleaned my room a little. Not a full clean, only the things I had been ignoring. Folding clothes, putting books back, opening the window for some fresh air.
Sometimes that small clean feels really good.
Yes, exactly. And after that, I watched a movie with my sister. A funny one. We laughed a lot, and it felt so good to relax with her. No rush, no stress, just a comfortable afternoon. Later, in the evening, we went to a small cafe near our house. Just the two of us. We ordered iced coffee and shared a slice of chocolate cake. We talked, we relaxed, we enjoyed the time.
So your Saturday was peaceful, family time, soft energy.
Yes, very peaceful. And I really needed it.
Okay, friends. Let's repeat some natural past tense sentences from Lily's story. I woke up early.
I went for a walk.
I made breakfast.
I cleaned my room.
I watched a movie.
I went to a cafe.
These are real, everyday sentences. And you can use them immediately in real life.
Yes, Max, my weekend was calm, soft, and simple. But now, I really want to hear about yours. Because every story, every small detail, helps our friends practice real past tense English. So, tell me, how was your weekend?
Well, my weekend was a little different from yours. Not too busy, but not too quiet either. It had some funny moments, some relaxing moments, and a small surprise actually.
A surprise? Okay, now I'm curious. Start from the beginning, from Saturday morning. And take it slow, so everyone can hear the natural rhythm of past tense.
Alright, so, on Saturday morning, I woke up later than usual. Not super late, but late enough to feel rested. The sun was already bright. My room felt warm. So I stretched, sat up, and checked my phone.
Ah, yes, the classic weekend morning routine.
Exactly. After that, I went to the kitchen. And I made coffee. Just a small cup, to wake up my brain. I didn't cook breakfast yet. Coffee first, always first.
Totally coffee first. That's the rule for weekends, always.
Ah, yes. After coffee, I made breakfast, pancakes. Small, fluffy ones. I added fresh fruit, strawberries, bananas. And some honey? It looked good. And honestly, it tasted even better.
Wow, pancakes with fruit? That actually sounds amazing. My breakfast suddenly feels very boring.
Ah, sometimes pancakes are the right decision. Anyway, after breakfast, I cleaned the kitchen a little. Washed the dishes, wiped the counter. Small things, nothing big.
Good, very responsible. And after that?
Then, I decided to visit my friend. He lives only 10 minutes away. So I walked. The weather was warm, but not too hot. Perfect for a small walk.
What did you two do?
We played some video games, talked about work, and listened to some new music he found online. It was really fun, very relaxing. I stayed there for a few hours.
That sounds like a perfect afternoon.
It was, but here comes the funny part. When I was leaving, I accidentally stepped into a small puddle. A big splash, right on my shoes.
Oh no. That is such a Max thing.
I know. My friend laughed so hard. And I laughed too. Silly, but funny.
Okay, that definitely adds color to your weekend story.
After that, I went home, changed my shoes, and rested a little. Then I cooked dinner, pasta with tomato sauce. Simple, but tasty.
Nice. So Saturday had food, friends, and puddle accidents.
Exactly.
And Sunday, what about Sunday? Calm, busy, or another small surprise?
Sunday was calmer. I woke up early, around 7:30. The air felt cool. The morning light looked golden. So I opened the window? And just enjoyed the quiet.
Peaceful morning. I like it.
Yes. After that, I made tea, not coffee this time. Warm, soft, gentle. Then, I read a book. On the couch. For almost 1 hour. No phone, no messages, no noise. Just reading, just calm.
That's perfect, friends. Imagine reading quietly like this.
Exactly. Later, I did a little housework. Vacuumed the floor? Did the laundry? And organized my desk. Small tasks, but satisfying.
Very productive. And very adult.
Yes. After that, I cooked lunch, rice and vegetables. Simple, healthy. Then in the afternoon, I watched a documentary. Nothing crazy. About ocean animals, very interesting.
Oh yes. I love ocean documentaries. They're so relaxing,
Yes. And in the evening? I took a long walk. The sky had soft colors, pink, orange, blue. The weather was perfect. Very quiet, very calm. After the walk, I went home, took a shower, and prepared for the new week.
Sunday was peaceful, slow, healthy. No puddle surprises this time.
Thankfully, no. Just calm, quiet, and soft energy.
Okay, friends. Let's repeat some natural sentences from Max's weekend. Say them slowly, clearly, confidently. With me, I woke up late.
I made pancakes.
I visited my friend.
I stepped in a puddle.
I cooked pasta.
I read a book.
I took a long walk.
These are real, natural, everyday sentences. You can use them immediately, in real life.
So Max, after your calm Sunday, did you do anything special in the evening? Something small but fun, maybe?
Yes, Lily, actually. I cooked a little dessert. Just a simple fruit salad. But I added some honey and a little lemon juice. And it tasted amazing. I even shared it with my neighbor. She really liked it, and we chatted for a few minutes.
Oh, that's so nice. Small gestures like that make a weekend feel special.
Exactly, small things. But they matter. And they give us more to talk about in English. So friends, listen carefully. You can say, I made a fruit salad, and I shared it with my neighbor. Short, simple, natural, past tense, perfect English.
Yes, friends. Now we have even more useful verbs. Listen and repeat after us, slowly. I shared food.
I added honey.
I chatted with my neighbor.
I relaxed.
I enjoyed the evening.
These are short, simple, and very natural sentences. You can use them immediately, with friends, at school, at work, anywhere.
Let's practice a small conversation. Repeat with us, slow, easy, natural.
Hi Lily, how was your weekend?
It was calm. I watched a movie and went to a cafe. Very simple, but really nice.
That sounds nice. Did you do anything else?
Yes. I relaxed at home and cooked lunch. And then I read a book in the afternoon.
Perfect, friends. Now try saying it with us. I relaxed at home. I cooked lunch. I read a book.
Yes, perfect short sentences, clear, slow. That is how you sound natural in English.
Okay, Lily, let's end with a little funny moment. Sometimes small accidents happen, right?
Yes. Saturday morning. I spilled my tea on the table. Just a little, but it made me laugh. And my sister laughed too. We cleaned it together, and then enjoyed our breakfast. So even small mistakes can be funny.
Exactly, friends, these small moments make English stories real. And you can use them, share them. Say, I spilled my tea, but I laughed with my sister. Simple, short, natural, past tense, perfect practice.
Okay, let's repeat all the sentences from today. Slowly, clearly with me, friends. I woke up early.
I made breakfast.
I cleaned my room.
I went for a walk.
I watched a movie.
I went to a cafe.
I made pancakes.
I stepped in a puddle.
I read a book.
I cooked pasta.
I shared a fruit salad.
I chatted with my neighbor.
I spilled my tea, but I laughed.
Friends, these are all simple past tense sentences. You can use them in real life, every weekend, and you will sound natural, confident, and fluent.
Wow, what a weekend we shared today. Through stories, laughter, and small moments. I hope you learned a lot, and you feel confident speaking about your weekend in English now.
Yes, remember friends? Don't worry about perfection. Just start speaking, share small stories, repeat the sentences we said, and your English will improve step by step, day by day.
Friends, we want to know, what did you do last weekend? Write in the comments below. We love reading your stories, and we will practice together.
Thank you so much for joining us today. See you next time on the Online English Podcast. Keep practicing. And remember, small steps, big progress. Bye bye, bye everyone.